This is your developer branch, where all the stable code is kept. And this is your feature branch, where new features are being implemented and tested. One day, a developer in your team discovers a critical bug that needs to be fixed as soon as possible on the developer branch. However, the fix was made on the feature branch and has not been merged yet into develop. If you were to merge all the feature branch into develop, you would be also merging in a lot of code that is not yet stable and may not be ready for release. That's where cherry pick comes in handy. Instead of merging the entire feature branch into develop, you can use git cherry pick to select the specific commit that contains the fix. By applying that one commit, you can fix the bug without bringing in any unstable code. Let's see now a case study in which I'm going to apply a commit from a branch in a repository to another one in another repository. In fact, both repositories have a shared code that is not yet exported as an npm package or a git submodule. That's why using git cherry pick is a very useful way to avoid the manual double effort to update the shared code and synchronize it between both projects. So first I need to add the remote repository. If you are like me using IntelliJ IDEA, you need to right mouse click remote, click on manage remotes, then click on the plus button. Give the target remote repo a name and enter its URL. Then click on OK. Here is it. If you are using VS Code, you need to add an extension like Git Graph, which offers a UI for the Git repositories and the Git branches similar to IntelliJ Git plugin. So the latest state of my current repo is here. Now I want to cherry pick the commit. I can right mouse click on the commit and cherry pick it on the develop branch. Or I can create a new branch from develop and cherry pick it there. And that's it. Now let's remove the repo from the view here and see how to do the same process on the terminal. To add the target remote repo, I need to run git remote add, then the repository name and the repository URL. Let's fetch. Here is the repo with all its branches. Let's check the list of commits and copy the ID of the commit I want to cherry pick. Now let's run git cherry pick and paste the commit ID. Here is it. And that's it. The last step is just to click on the push button or run git push on the terminal. So to sum it up, remember that git cherry pick is a command in Git that allows you to select and apply specific commits from one branch to another one, instead of merging entire branches. However, it's important to keep in mind that it's not a replacement for git merge or git rebase. You should use it with care, especially when using it in a shared repository. It can cause conflicts if the commits you are cherry picking introduce changes that conflict with changes that have been made on the branch you are applying them to. So that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And see you next time.